We're going to explain how to open a text document in Excel. There are several ways to do this, depending on the format of your text file and what you want to do with the data once it's in Excel. 1. The simplest method, using the Open dialog box. This works best for plain text files, .txt, or files with simple formatting. First, open Excel, then click on File and select Open. Navigate to the folder containing your text file, select it, and click Open. Excel will usually try to import the data automatically, recognizing delimiters like commas or tabs to separate the data into columns. If the automatic import isn't perfect, you might need to adjust the settings in the text import wizard that appears. This wizard lets you specify the delimiter, comma, tab, semicolon, etc., and the data type of each column. 2. Using the data tabs from text CSV function. This is a more powerful method, particularly useful for comma-separated value, CSV files, or other text files with structured data. Go to the Data tab in Excel's ribbon, click on Get External Data, and select from Text CSV. Browse to your text file, select it, and click Import. This also opens the text import wizard, giving you fine-grained control over how the data is imported. You can preview the data at each step to ensure everything is being imported correctly. After you've finished setting up the import, choose where you want to place the data in your workbook, usually on a new sheet. 3. Dealing with different delimiters. Text files often use different characters to separate values, like commas, tabs, semicolons, or even spaces. The text import wizard lets you specify which delimiter your file uses. Incorrectly identifying the delimiter will lead to data being incorrectly combined or split into columns. Pay close attention to this step. 4. Handling complex text files. If your text file has complex formatting or uses unusual characters, you might need to use more advanced text editing tools before importing into Excel. Consider using a text editor like Notepad++ to clean up the file or to convert it to a CSV format, which usually imports more cleanly. This might involve replacing certain characters or removing unnecessary lines. Once you've pre-processed the file, try importing it using the methods described above. 5. Understanding data types. After importing, Excel will try to guess the data type of each column, number, text, date, etc. You can always change these afterwards if Excel's guess is incorrect. This is particularly important for numerical data. If Excel interprets numbers as text, you won't be able to perform calculations on them. Remember to save your Excel file after importing your text data. By following these steps, you can effectively import data from various text files into your Excel spreadsheets for analysis and manipulation.